Hey guys, Dave here, and this time I'm starting up a new batch of videos where I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to build up my rig. Now, for my rig, this is a 2021 Jeep I got back in December. It's an EcoDiesel, and so far it's been doing great. And I originally got this rig so I can take Marley and I on epic outdoor adventures. Now that idea quickly met some hurdles as he was diagnosed with diabetes a couple months after. Now we've had some time to get used to, his new routine, and I feel like we're comfortable enough that we can start venturing out into more outdoor adventures. So far we've just been doing light camping, and that's been turning out pretty great. So good stuff there. Speaking of epic adventures, we already have one planned coming up in June. We're gonna spend a whole week up in Colorado and be camping out of the Jeep. Not only that, but we also signed up for a 5K with the GoPro mountain games, so that's gonna be pretty epic. Now with that being said, let me give you a quick rundown on the ideas I have planned for the build so far. I originally planned a pretty legit setup, ordered the parts, but most of them are delayed. So this is my last effort to see what I can come up with in 1 week before we head out. So I'm gonna be removing the seats, the interior liner, and I'm just gonna be leaving the bare metal from the frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and line that up with thermal insulation and sound deadening material. Now after the insulation material is applied, I'm gonna put everything back except the rear seats, because I'm gonna build a bed frame / mini storage system for the back area. And that's it so far. Let's get to it. So I just removed the liner. You can probably see some metal now. Alright guys, now I'm not the best in organizational skills, but shoot, when you're messing with the car, you want to know how to put it back together, right? This is my current method, because shoot, I'm building my garage as I go, so whew, this is also new to me. Pizza just got here. You know what that means. Lunch break. Woo. This one right here. That was good. Alright, took a little break because I had to stop because this one screw in the center of it all is a big witch to take out. It hasn't budged. And then the original tool set I bought, it's very small, so it has tiny leverage. So I had to go to Lowe's again and get a bigger wrench. Hopefully I have more leverage with this and I could take that off. Oh, there we go. Woo. It's still tough. Yeah, I just needed a bigger tool. Ladies, you have a point. Need to figure out what to do with the seats. It'd be cool to convert them into some casual seating spots. Okay, so I can't unplug the sensor from the driver's seat and it's pissing me off. Little damn it, man. I'm gonna take my last break, take Marley on a walk, give it another shot after, and then I'll see where I'm at, cause now I'm thinking maybe just insulate it up to that center console. That's it. Yes, man, the sensor just being a bit. So I decided to stop for tonight and continue tomorrow. Um, Worst case, I think I can remove the liner by just unbolting the seats, and I think that'll be good enough, and I can just like work my way around adding the insulation. So yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. All right, guys, day 2. Gonna continue on this. Left off with the front seats. Was having an issue with the sensors, but you know what? I just figured I'm gonna just detach the front seats, remove the lining, and then add the insulation like that, because that's just too much of a hassle for what it's worth. So yeah, right, bud, because we got a week. Yeah, bud, I'm working on the Jeep, bud. Yeah, bud, you excited? Right, bud? Yeah. Oh, he knows. He knows it's coming. Right, bud? Alright, guys, most of the lining material has been removed. It's finally time to add in some car sound bitten. Alright, so I don't have like a legit plan. I'm just gonna go best fit, and I think I'm gonna avoid these stubs and screw inserts for the pieces that need to be modded anyways, and laid it between the whole pieces. So let's see how it goes. Sweet deal, guys. So I already put the liner back on this middle section, and it's insulated. Now I'm gonna lock the seats back in and continue towards the back. Hell yeah, finally getting somewhere. All right, so I finally finished putting the insulation on the Jeep. Check it out. Already insulated over there, but covered everything up already. Gonna leave this exposed a bit more, because up next is making the bed frame slash storage system that I'm gonna have back here for my camping setup. So yeah, gonna put up the carpenter hat on this and see what I can do.
Well, there you have it, folks. This is my first step in this long journey of building up this Jeep to be an awesome expedition machine. And if you like these types of builds, let me know by hitting that like button and or subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll be posting more videos to come, so stay tuned.